Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will demonstrate to you guys how to create a summer eyeshadow look. But yeah guys, I don't want to talk too much because I really want to go ahead and show you guys the steps of how to create this summer look. So before we start this video, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and also hit that bell notification so that way you guys get notified whenever I post a video. And if you are already subscribed, welcome back to my channel. But yeah guys, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove my hair so that way we can work peacefully. Since I already did my eyebrows, as you guys can see, now I'm going to go ahead and basically apply a concealer or an eye primer under my lids. So you want to do that before you put any color eyeshadow, and the reason why is because you want your eyelids to look very clean to work with. So go ahead and grab a concealer or an eye primer that you have. So today I will go ahead and use this baby right here. This is the P. Louise Base 1 primer. So now grab any clean brush, and what you want to do is basically just dissolve the eye primer or concealer, whatever you chose to put on. Okay you guys, so now that you basically kind of blend your concealer or eye primer, so now I'm gonna go ahead and grab a sponge and I'm just going to tap it. So now we are ready to go ahead and basically add colors on our eyeshadows. So the palette that I will be using today is this baby right here. This is the Jawbreaker by Jeffree Star, and what I really love about this palette is that it has all the colorful lovely summer shade. And yeah, so I will be using this baby today. Okay, so for my outer corner, like right over here, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the shade Raspberry, which is this shade right here. And if you guys have the Jeffree Star brush, I am using the JS6, but if not, you could use any fluffy brush that you have. So what I'm doing right now is basically I'm building up that shade, so that way once you build it up, you can go ahead and dissolve it. And now whatever I have left on my brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and basically start blending it like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade. This is like an orange shade, which is called Suck. So grab a very tiny small blending brush. The one I'm using right now is M506 from Morphe. I'm just gonna go ahead and slightly blend that shade right here. And so just like this guys, I'm gonna go with Raspberry again, and I'm just gonna bring that shade back. So I'm just gonna basically tap it right here. So now what I'm gonna do is add another color right here. So I'm not sure which shade I'm gonna go with. Okay, so over here I'm just gonna go with this shade right here, which is called Cherry Wet, and the brush that I'm using is JS13, and I'm just gonna apply it right here. And then going back with Suck, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that shade. The other thing I'm gonna do is add another color right here. So I'm gonna go with this color right here. This is a yellow color, and this is called Wow, and I'm just gonna apply it right here. Alright guys, so the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is basically cut my crease. So grab your concealer or your eye primer one more time. I'm gonna grab the P. Louise eye primer, and I'm just gonna apply some on the back of my hand. And I'm going to grab a concealer brush. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and grab my concealer or eye primer, and then I'm gonna start cutting my crease. I'm gonna go ahead and grab raspberry again, and what I'm gonna do is basically blend it out with the concealer that I just applied. And then next, what I'm gonna do is apply like 2 shimmer color right here where I cut my lip. So the first shade that I'm gonna go ahead and apply is this baby right here. This is like an orange shimmer shade. So I'm gonna apply that, and this is called Orange Juice. Next, I'm gonna apply this like yellow shimmer shade right here, like close to my inner lids. Alright you guys, so that completes this eye. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is basically do this exact same step on this side of the face. I'm gonna go ahead and also apply my lashes. So with that being said guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do exactly the same step on this side of the face, and I'll be right back with you guys in a second. Alright you guys, so I am back, and I went ahead and also applied my lashes and already did all my makeup base. So what I really want to focus right now is under my eyes, and then it will be the finished look of this eyes. So let's go ahead and grab our palette again, and so I'm gonna go ahead and grab raspberry, and I'm going to start blending it right here. And then grabbing cherry wet, I'm also going to start blending it together. And then last but not least, I'm going to add a yellow shade right here. And last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and add a mascara under my lash. And lastly, I'm gonna apply like a shimmer shade on my inner corner. Hopefully that doesn't ruin the yellow shimmer shade. So I'm gonna apply Jawbreaker. It's not gonna make a huge difference because I already applied the yellow shimmer shade, but I just wanted to brighten up a little bit more. And lastly, the last thing I'm going to do is spray the side of my face to add my highlighter. Alright you guys, so that completes this eyeshadow summer look. I'm gonna go off camera and I will show you guys my final look, and yeah. Alright you guys, so that completes this summer look. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys also got an idea of how to create this summer look. And this look is very perfect if you're going out, or like just to have dinner, or just to hang out with the girls. So I really love this because it is a very colorful and beautiful eyeshadow look. So let me know if you guys recreate it, and comment down below if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day. I love you guys so much. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you so much if you guys made it to the end. So before I end this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that way you guys get notified whenever I post a video, and give me a thumbs up if you guys really like this video. And without any further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.